DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys. So today, we're going to be looking at Harbor Freight's free bucket weekend sale. So for everybody with the $29.99 purchase, you get a free bucket. For Inside Track Club members, you get a free bucket with any purchase. 3 days only. Friday, July 21st through Sunday, July 23rd, guys. So if you guys are interested in a free bucket, it's going to be for everybody. You have to make a $29.99 purchase to get your $5 free bucket. Or if you're an Inside Track Club member, with any purchase, you can pick up your free $5 bucket. So, I mean, anything free, guys, is not a bad deal, right? Especially nowadays. But if you need to go and pick up something from Harbor Freight, and you're gonna spend over $30, then it's worth it. Might as well get something for free. But me personally, I'm not gonna go looking to spend $30 to get a $5 bucket for free. That's just me, guys. But still, not a bad deal. If you're Inside Track Club member, it's good to have to be an Inside Track Club member, because for any purchase you could pick up a $5 bucket. You don't have to spend a minimum of $29.99. So anyway, guys, I think we beat that enough. Let's go ahead and read what the coupon says. It's not too much of a big deal, but let's go ahead and read it. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store only. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Receive a free bucket with minimum single purchase. Oh, it's a single purchase. I didn't realize that. See, bucket with the minimum single purchase order of $29.99, excluding taxes, and after applying any other applicable offers or discounts. Tools sold separately. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, gift cards, or prior purchases. Void if copied, sold, purchased, transferred, and where prohibited. Offer valid while supplies last. Other restrictions may apply. Valid 7/21/23 through 7/23/23. So, I'm not 100% sure if that means you have to make one single tool purchase or one single purchase of $29.99, or if it's just, I'm assuming you can get many different products as long as the total in that purchase equals $29.99 or more. I'm pretty sure that's how that works. But it's always good to maybe ask before trying to attempt to get your free bucket. So anyway, guys, we're going to go through a few of these coupons here. I think most of this is stuff we've already went over in some of the other savings video. I think or it might just be some extra coupons they put out just for this weekend sale. But nevertheless, we're going to go ahead and go over them. So I'm pretty sure we've seen this one before. I remember talking about this one. First up, we got the Pittsburgh plier set with comfort grips. It's a 5-piece. Lifetime warranty. Original price is $19.99. It is on sale right now for $14.99, guys. Next, we got the Portland 170 psi corded electric pressure washer. Original price is $89.99. It is on sale for $79.99. Here we have a US General Series 2 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart. Original price is $599.99. It is on sale for $499.99. Again, guys, I can't say enough about the US General service carts, tech carts, 5-drawer carts. Really good quality, pretty good bang for your buck. Highly recommend them. Next, we got the Franklin 72-inch and 80-inch, 72-inch by 80-inch moving blanket. Original price is $8.99. It is on sale, guys, for $6.99. Moving on, we got the Pittsburgh Pro Click torque wrench. Lifetime warranty. Original price is $18.99. It is on sale for $11.99, and you have your choice of 1/4 inch, 3/8, or a 1/2 inch. I talked about these before. I had some issues with the collar here. Once you tighten it to what specific torque you want, when you start putting some pressure down on the handle, it tends to move up or down, so it kind of skews your torque a little bit, but not much. I hadn't really used these extensively, but overall pretty good, pretty accurate. If you're just trying to get into the trade or just need some you just need a torque wrench to have around the house, this is definitely somewhere to definitely a step to get into right here. Definitely try to get it for the sale price of $11.99, not the original price of $18.99. So anyway, guys, moving on, we got the Cover Pro 10-foot by 20-foot portable car canopy. Original price is $149.99. It is on sale for $119.99. Next, we got the Chicago Electric Welding Flux 125 welder. Original price is $139.99. It is on sale, guys, for $99.99. Next, we got the McGraw 8-gallon, 1.5 horsepower, 150 psi oil-free portable air compressor. Original price is $169.99. It is on sale, guys, for $149.99. And last but not least, we got another Pittsburgh brand ratcheting combination wrench set, 7-piece with that lifetime warranty. Original price is $28.99. It is on sale for $19.99. This is the ratcheting combination wrench set, 7-piece. Not a bad deal, guys. Highly recommend these as well. Never had an issue with these. They look a little bit different than ones I got. I bought those years ago. Same thing. But anyway, guys, never had an issue with these. The ratcheting mechanism here is always great to have. Saves you a lot of time and energy, especially for $19.99. You guys can't beat that. Lifetime warranty, can't beat it. Highly recommend those. So anyway, guys, want to keep it short, sweet, and simple. That is your weekend sale for Friday, July 21st through Sunday, July 23rd. They're giving away a free bucket for $29.99 or more purchase for everyone. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get a free bucket with any purchase. So anyway, guys, there you guys have it. Hopefully you guys are liking these videos. Again, if you could please go down there, hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. As well as hitting that subscribe button. A lot of my views are coming from non-subscribers. So if you guys could please take the time, go down there, hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.